like a boss.
Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Welcome to the Brandon Kelly experience. I'm glad you are officially on the money team. Today we have a nice, clean little episode for you. The Four Horsemen back in the stables. I think this one is a shout out to Lieberman, Big Zach. What's going on? You know what I'm saying? I had to get back to my old habits, man. You know what I'm saying? I had this intro playing about a year ago, you know, and for whatever reason cut it off. So I cleaned it off, brought it back, you know, and here we are back for the first time. If this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. Can you hear me now? My name is BK, known as a crypto trader. I'm the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Let me make sure the sound is good. Might just be my man's sound input. Oh boy, look at that. That should be a lot better, right? Alright. You know what I'm saying? Live streams. What you know, you get what you pay for. I'm the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day you get the profit. As a result, today is no exception. The sound should be good now. So with that being said, we're looking at the Four Horsemen, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neo, and Bcash. And I think from these four horses, you know, we're going to get 80 to 90% of the future value transmitted on this decentralized network, right? And so essentially, if we're able to identify what's happening with these four horses, where the inflections, the changes, the opportunities are coming in, then we should be well prepared for future shifts in the market, and essentially how those changes will allow us to make money, right? And so that's what we're looking at. For more resources, you know, just click the subscribe button down below. Looks like we got about 38 people rocking out with me live on the air. Shout out to everybody. And also check out bossofbitcoin.com. Let me make sure we get this chat pop back up. Bam! We're good. Google ends crypto ads according to the Circle Jerk boys. Sure, bobbleheads, you know, maybe they're right. I don't think there ever really was a real ban, because, you know, let's not give those guys any credit. I don't listen to the bobbleheads, neither should you. So if they say one thing on bobblehead station, you know, you should probably think the other thing. There was never any ban, because 90% of the corporations that pay for advertising on Google, 90% of the financial institutions that pay for advertising on Google already were invested some R&D in blockchain technology. So that would be a conflict of interest. They would have indeed cut off their own money source, and we won't even get into that. Let's give away some money. So what we're doing, I said every video I give away free Bitcoin. So this is yesterday's video, right? What I'm doing right now, this was the content generator, you know. This is the link for that video. This one was on Ripple and Ethereum, I want to say. Jesus. All right. Last time with the sound. Should be good now. I don't know why this whole thing just decided to like stop working, but we should be good now. So this is content picker. Boom, boom. Let's go ahead and pick somebody. 19 entrants. And so here we go. Bam! Robert Plant. Just found you a month ago. Waiting to see the results of your analysis. I wish I would have put some money on XRP weeks ago. It's just that easy to get paid, man. Hopefully, you subscribe. Hopefully, you watch some more videos, and hopefully, you'll be ahead of the curve the next time I release, a major game changer market update like that. I told people to buy Ripple like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Title of the video was "Should You Buy Ripple?" Ripple XRP price prediction 2018. Had like 2,000-3,000 views. But this is just the beginning. It's always more money to get paid. My man Robert, you just made some money today. So do me a favor, shoot me a message on Facebook, comment on this video, get in touch with me, send me a Bitcoin wallet. I'll send you a couple bucks BTC as a token of my appreciation. And speaking of Bitcoin giveaways, my man over at Bitcoin merch, sent me a little piece of candy, 10% off your next order. But that ain't all he did. He sent me a couple shirts. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to the big homie over at bitcoinmerch.com. It's really, really cool. I told you guys, if you send me something, then I'm sending the people something, right? So for this video, what we'll do for this video is, instead of giving away Bitcoin, I'm gonna give away t-shirts from this man's website, right? I don't even know if it's man. I think it's man. But what we'll do is, on his website, you go over to merchandise, shirts, right? I'll give away one of these I Love Bitcoin shirts, because why not, right? So this is what we're doing for today's giveaway. Just comment on the video at the end of the video, and then next time I come on and pick a winner, I'm going to pick a winner, and you'll win a t-shirt, right? So my man sent me some shirts. I'm giving one away to y'all, and we go keep it in the family, right? Actually, I'll do one with his face on it. I'll do this one. YouTuber, right? Because that's kind of cool, right? So there we go. Shout out to Bitcoin merch. Thank you for the shirts. I think Nicole, she said she gonna be taking some pictures in her shirts, post it on the gram later. Nickname Cole. Y'all look out for that. So here we go. Without further ado, let's make it do what it do. And we are jumping over to TradingView. So again, if you're just now, coming on board, jump on over to bossofbitcoin.com. Let's see here. Can I do this? I believe, there we go. We do have the playlist in the website. Click on videos, scroll down a little bit, Chart Like a Boss playlist. Make sure you subscribe. Also follow me on TradingView. Click that link right there in the description. It's going to take you to my TradingView page, BD Kelly 1203 on TradingView. Free charts, free information, free support, just to try to help you learn how this stuff works, right? So we're jumping back over to Bitcoin. Biggest thing, I can't say it enough. I've done more than enough videos on Bitcoin. The bottom has happened. I've been saying for months, September will return positive energy into the markets. And it's literally just going to go up from here. Could it drop to 6,100? Yes. Should you be worried? No. This is the exact same thing I've been saying since February. Go back, do your research, look at the videos, right? The floor is in right there, right? 5,800. As long as our 2-day price average is above 58, we're going higher, right? So that's good. That's good. That's good for the market, good for you. Hopefully you make some money on it. But let's jump over and see the other ones. Ethereum, ETH to the BTC on the USD. Again, the method you are looking at right now is a proprietary process known as the Both method. I give it away to the people for free. If you are a profit-seeking entity, you will never have my express written consent to use it. So don't make me pay some lawyers, a little bit of this crypto profit to shut you down. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't mind doing it. But if you just a person sick and tired of being sick and tired, then use the method. It works quite well. Swing the 7 over to 77. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just look up Chart Like a Boss. And that will show you how to make some real deal money real quick, right? So again, Chart Like a Boss. Type it into you know, the boys in blue, Big Brother Google, and they will redirect you to my content, right? So Ethereum, we see we're struggling a little bit on F, you know. I did a video on this one not too long ago, said it wasn't looking good at all, but the good news is right there. We just hit a new cycle. And what just happened when we hit a new cycle? Somebody, I'm going to be doing a video on this specifically. This is the horizontal Fibonacci. You know what I'm saying? Most people can't use it going up and down. Your boy BK can use it going right to left, swing it, going up and down. And then we box this energy in like a, box it into a nice, look at that. That's right there. Nice little energy grid right there. We see we bottomed out at the 4.2 on both of them, right at 27. Now we're swinging, trying to get above the 43. Once we get above the 43, we'll officially be back in positive territory. But this is going to be a problem. F is struggling right now. That's the line that it's going to struggle with right there at 37. So until F gets above 37, and then like I said, it has to come back and get above 43, 44, it's really not worth buying, right? Don't buy it until it's above 44. Keep it moving. On to the next one. Let's swing NEO to the BTC on 343. Ooh, wait, this look pretty good, don't it? That looked real good right there. Just finished a big macro cycle, right? This one might be swinging a little bit longer. Nope. NEO got quick energy. So we go to the top, break down on the green, break down on the green. Boom, boom. Where is this? This is bringing us right back to where we started. That's nice. This is a very, very, very good buy right here, right? We're gonna break out before very soon, before the first week in October, it looks like. Right there, October 7th, right? Wow, look at that. You can't beat that. Like, I don't know if y'all saw what I did, but this is what I did. I took a break out right there. Right? Boom. Boom. Right? That gave me all them energy, all that macro energy. Right? Break out the break. Break down. Break down. Let me just make this all one circle. I like the one circle when I do the fibs. So that energy right there accounted for that huge, huge run. And then I came back down to it right there to account for the huge breakdown. And on both of them, BOFUM, B-O-F-U-M, BOFUM, on both of them, we landed right there. That's confirmation. That's two negatives, a negative, negative, right? Up top, negative, negative. The yellow's a negative, that means it's a positive, right? Negative, negative, 2 times negative. Negative times negative gives you what? Positive. Boom. We confirm right there between those two zones. And then this one is our horizontal. We confirm right there between those two zones. That's going to be a continuation. So this was a positive continuation in the swing zone limbo land. Limbo land is like the 2-2 to the 2-4. I'll break this whole down in another video, but the 2-2 to 2-6 is kind of like midway zone, right? It's like limbo land, like it's in between, right? It's the upside down, as you know, as they say on Stranger Things, right? Anything can happen, but not many things do happen, except those that are actually manifesting the things yet to happen, right? And so this little zone, and this is an evolution of my process, but this little zone in here actually shows you more about what to expect. Prime example, when we go back to Bitcoin, you know, and we just do, let's do a long one from peak to trough. This is where we're at right now. Limbo land, right? Peak to trough, right? We ride that 231 as high as it's gonna take us all the way up to the top. This zone, reason why 90% of these cats on YouTube can't make you no money, they don't realize this is limbo land. We are actually setting up the next cycle. I told you this is like the Vesica Pisces. This is the end of one cycle, the beginning of another. We got all these little bitty forces fighting and, you know, working out in this little bitty zone. But once we're out of this zone, the next big force is going to take over. So limbo land is an extremely indicative position to be in the marketplace. And once you understand limbo land, you understand a lot within what's happening in these markets. And so that's what we have in Neo. This is limbo land, and meaning that it's almost the midpoint, right? But when you understand, is the midpoint going to be positive? Is it going to be negative? Is it going to continue? Is it going to reverse? This is a reversal, right? And it's going to hit, and it's going to hit pretty good, right? When is it going to hit buy? Bam! When does limbo land end? When will that next energy cycle take over? October 7th. If you are hearing these words, buy some Ethereum. What is the, or some Neo. What is the price of Neo right now? Pretty cheap. 2873. I made a video back, I think this summer sometime. It was at like 54. It was up here. Just click on my little library archive. I said I just sold 100 Neo at 57. People thought I was crazy. I'm buying it back at 24. Run till that. Double up one time. You know what I'm saying? So there you go, 27, 26. That's a big, this is a good pickup right here. Let's pick up our last coin, NEO, Bitcoin Cash, BCH. Listen up, people. If you appreciate this content, hit that thumbs up button. What we're doing, I'm giving away one of these shirts. This shirt right here, you know, from the Bitcoin merch website. Leave me a comment down below, any comment you want. If we get 100 likes on this video, somebody who leaves me a comment will be getting a shirt sent to them, right? And this last one, this Bitcoin Cash, this one doesn't look as great, right? Why doesn't it look as great? Because we still have a little bit of a buffer on the 343 between the 77 and the 231, about 12%. That's a lot of money, right? You want to wait that out. You don't want to, you know, sit around and wait on your money. In addition to that, you kind of got these double pops, right? Neo did this when it went up way back in the day. It's not great, right? That means it's a lot of inner turbulence, and they have, I think they have a lot of stuff going on with like their miners and, you know, a lot of politics trying to work itself out. So unfortunately, Bitcoin Cash is not going to be ready yet, right? But it is coming up on it pretty soon. I think this is going to be your buy down there, and that's going to happen around the end of October, beginning of November. That'll probably be where you want to look at getting BCH. Right at 71, but not for another month, right? If you got some money and you just want to park it for a month, then, you know, pick it up at 67 and just ride it out. It could end up going a little bit lower, down to 60, right? Again, we're coming up on limbo land down here. So, but this ultimately is the price zone that you want to buy it from, right? Between 71 and 60. That's a pretty big span. I would say hold off on it. It's a lot of money to be made in this market. And if it ain't paying, it ain't staying. So it's no reason for you to, you know, take a loss when you can win right now, right? And so let's see. Cool. Good. That's it, right? Those are the 4 horses: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neo, Bitcoin Cash. Boss of Bitcoin.com. Again, if you're just getting set up, go on over to the website, check out my man, you know what I'm saying, on the right hand side, suited and booted, trying to help you get paid. If you appreciate that, holla at a player one time. Boss method, fractal harmonics, change your values, change your worth. Like I said, the crypto resources we have free to the people. Chart Like a Boss playlist, about 20 videos that will change your life. Watch that 21 minutes right there, that first video in the blue. I can't tell you enough. It works. It's very, very easy, very, very simple, and it helps people around the world make money, right? And once you make some money, then let's make some more money, right? It take money to make money. So here we go, 25 bucks. I told you in the last video I was knocking the price down. $25 one time gets you the profit package, the top 7 coins in the market for the month of September. September ain't done yet, right? There's still some money to be made if you want to get weekly updates. This is a discounted price right now, $75 for the profit package. You will get it updated every week. I will deliver it to you one-on-one, and that will be your updates for the week. And then we also have the VIP trading group, which is actually getting an invite, special beta testing invite to the software that we're building, which will be, you know, ideally be customer facing before the end of this year, right? So, you know, we got a couple videos on there, one-on-ones available. You know, just check it out, man. This is what we got going. We also have the #1 Bitcoin group in the world, #1Bitcoin on Facebook. Come on in. The doors are always open. 20,000 people helping each other make money in the markets, keeping each other empowered and in profit in the marketplace, right? Shout out to my man Crypto. Shout out to Mr. Saban Bomar, understanding community, crypto fam. You know, it's all good. They said it ain't no fun if the homeboys don't get none, so I opened the doors up and 20,000 of the homies came in, and now we just smashed the market. You know what I'm saying? Beat their head down to the white meat. CJBs ain't gonna get enough of me. You know. That being said, everybody, shout your country out up top. Let me know what country you're from, where you're rocking out from. I appreciate you all being live on the air with me. 37 people. You know what I'm saying? It's humbling having 25,000 people, you know, subscribe to a channel. 30, 40, 50 people coming live on the air rocking out with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. So if you appreciate me, help me get this word out. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that red button. Subscribe. Check out the website. Support the community. You know, leave me a comment. Win yourself a t-shirt. You know what I'm saying? BitcoinMerch.com. Like I said, y'all give me some free stuff, I'm gonna give you some free stuff. You know, we just keep it going around. Here we go. UK. Big Zach. Good to see you. Spliff Star. Boss walking on the West Coast. My man Alaskan Warrior, I saw you in the comments from the last video. Good to see you as well. NYC is in the building. Big Apple. What up? Poland. Big Melon. You know what I'm saying? It's good to see you as well. Logical Fields. Cali. Obi said they never get the notifications ever. Do this. Unsubscribe. And then and refresh your browser. You know, Google Chrome. Resubscribe. And then click the bell again. Right? Sometimes you got to like delete the cookies or whatever. I don't know. You know, just try it. Or do it on your phone. Do it on the internet. Do it on the browser. You know, clear the cookies, unsubscribe, and then resubscribe, right? Or actually unsubscribe, clear the cookies, resubscribe, click the bell, and then you should be good, right? San Diego back-to-back 2 times. What's up? Meridia, Texas, and Guatemala. Big Miguel holding it down for South America. It's good to see you guys. Thank you for joining me. With that being said, everybody, it's that time of the day. Signing out. It's the boss, boy BK. No matter where you stay, Brazil to Bay, California, all the way back out through Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, share, comment on this video. If you want to win a free t-shirt, do that for me. If you appreciate mine. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Like a boss.
Huh.
Huh. Huh.